but it must have been really fun to be the car driving behind this on the highway. Must have scared the daylights out of them. But so
just one question. Somebody
the 300, so the 300 families Austin brought to Texas. We also put the 500, which confuses some people, but the 500 is the 500 people and businesses that help fundraise the money to get the statue.
Okay.
So
There's a different.
I always thought that we pulled the 300 was the
300 is the first settlement.
settlers.
Yeah, those are the first settlers. The 500 are the wonderful people that got the statue built. So we kind of made a little play on words and made our own. We have a crew of around 6 or 7 guys trained up to fire it, because there's a couple different positions you need on the gun. You have 2 guys up front who have to clean it after every fire, so you have someone cleaning it of all the debris inside. You also have another person with a sponge washing it out after every use. You have someone, at this point here, they put a little quill inside that's full of gunpowder. It has gunpowder coated around it. That's what causes the spark, and that's what would fire. So, and then you have some other people at the back bringing in the charges and all sorts of stuff like that. It's a pretty big crew. It's very involved. Over here, so if anyone feels the need.
outside.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, say Texas.
Thank you.
There you go.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, of course. So this is actually the original one here. This was the model that was built, and if you look at his feet, you can actually see he's a very well-traveled man. He was taken all over the county to different events to help with the fundraising effort. So
You can move around.
yeah, so and funny enough, for as important as he was when we took over the site in 2016, he was shoved off in a corner, and we were like, that's not a good spot for him. So we put him right here at the pedestal so everyone could look at him, and he's a great talking point. Originally, it was designed with that hat, but with the storms that we get down here and the crazy wind. This flag here is much simpler. Again, it's got a Lone Star on it. And the story goes that a Lone Star in the night sky inspired.
The rifle is the one over there?
Yes, it is.
Which one?
It's this one.
Oh, yeah. I see the longest one.
Yes, sir. And the bag is all, and the horn are also on that statue.
Very long. This is original or
Do what now?
This is original?
No. No, I
Modification.
built that one.
You built it.
I built that. Yeah, the sculptor needed something to base what he was doing off of, so I carried mine.
Oh. Oh, this is original?
Some of it is old, some of it is reproduction. This one is old, the shotgun, and the 2 on the bottom shelf are old, and the rest of them are made within the last 20, 30 years. And they all work, except gallons of heavy cream in it, and some poor unlucky kid who didn't do their chores the previous day would get to stand. Right? Let's get this a little bit closer together. And let's say I wanted to do some chisel work on this. So I would drive these 2 together, and now it won't move. So that's how it works with no metal. You're using all wood, and you hold it in that way so you can take the new one with all 4 dice and take them over to the table so they can play.
Yeah.
We can play.
Yeah, that's the best way to learn about it.
Okay, how to play it, see?
Yeah.
Yeah,
How to see? We want to.
The first time I see it.
Yeah.
it's a neat game.
Your game table.
So this is a game. So you throw the dice, and we have 6 and 1, so we could put those 2 down individually. And
4 and 1.
so I can't do 4 and 1 because I already put down 1.
Okay.
So you can kind of see how quickly it has potential to go. Like
2.
Okay.
4, no 4. 9. 9. Okay.
And it's really great game for kids, younger kids.
We don't have 6.
And I
We
can't
don't
do
have 5. We don't have 1. No, we can't.
So there you go. So it goes to the next person.
Oh, I see.
So anyone feel brave enough to take the next turn?
4 and 6, I put 10. I don't want to use the 4 and 6 right now. Now I put 6. Maybe I'll have more. 10.
Yeah, you could add them together and make 10.
Oh,
And,
I see one.
and the important thing is you can't pick and choose like, oh, I already put down.
Wow.